Hi Robert, it's David Lee. I've put together this short video. My experience over the last few months dealing with this issue is that I'm not getting listened to, not getting read, not getting any sort of satisfaction to getting this problem solved. And I've invested in this product and it's not working, and I don't know why. I'm competent enough to be able to follow things along, but the response I'm getting from double agent Jason or whoever's looking at it is just not satisfactory. He's asked me to reply to him on Wednesday for details, which I did. I've subsequently sent him some follow-up information. I am doing my best to work out what this problem is, but I need some help on your end. I don't feel as though I'm getting it. The problem is I can't do automatic backups. Now, this was October last year. I submitted the request. Gradually during 2017, all of my websites, gradually, they stopped running on automatic backup. I've had to do them manually. It's a pain in the backside, but I've been busy with other things at the moment. It's getting more urgent that I get this done. I would like to work with Backup Creator. I could simply go and buy another product, as David has recommended, but I'm used to this, familiar with it, and I just wanted to set up and go, and I've got the lifetime support, which I don't feel as though I'm getting.